Hello everyone. In this video, I'll share how we can effectively learn data science. Data science is a fast-growing field that is helping in many ways to the world we live in. The application of data science includes a wide range of fields, including product recommendation, fraud detection, climate prediction to disease prediction. Taking time to learn data science opens up so many opportunities for you to advance your career. So, how do you initiate your data science learning process? You're probably excited to learn about machine learning, deep learning, NLP, and so on. However, wait. Before getting there, I strongly recommend you focus on the data analytics first. The data analytics is an integral component of data science projects, and it constitutes about 80% of the time in data science project. Learning data analytics skills will help you in the long run. For this, focus on working on a project with a small dataset and start analyzing it. Ask various business questions around the data and see how you can come up with the answer for that. This is a powerful exercise that helps to be a successful data scientist. One tip for you while performing analytics is that think from an end to end process perspective. For instance, first understanding the business problem or the business question, sourcing data, cleaning it, analyzing it, developing solution and possibly putting it in production and further enhancing it. This will help you to understand a full data science project lifecycle. And to start off a project, you can get relatively small real world dataset from any online platform such as UCI machine learning repo or Kaggle or any other website. To accomplish each of these steps in the data science lifecycle, you need to be familiar with various data science tools and also the various techniques. Now, let me talk some of the important things that I think are necessary while beginning your data science journey. I would like to break it down into three strong foundations in the core concept of the data science, and they are technical, analytical, and communication skills. On the technical side, I'll talk about programming language, statistics, and math skills. I recommend programming languages such as Python and SQL for data analytics and modeling. In Python, specifically Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and Scikit-learn are major libraries for the beginners. Many data scientists use Python from data wrangling, modeling to writing production codes. Additionally, SQL is a very important tool to learn so that you can work with various databases. SQL is used for sourcing data from the different databases and also it's very helpful in data wrangling. Once you are familiar with Python, the next good tool to have is PySpark. PySpark works very well with the distributed systems and is very powerful to work with big data. I mean, the data that does not fit in a single memory. The other important tool to learn, which I think I would have learned if I started over, is Tableau or Power BI. These are powerful data visualization and dashboarding tools. You can just choose one and start working on it. I use Tableau mostly and recommend this if you are not sure which tool to begin with. Both Tableau and Power BI are subscription based tools. However, you can get trial versions to start with. You can get a free trial of Tableau desktop for 14 days also. Better than that, if you are a student, you can get 1 year subscription for free as well. So check out for that. More on the technical side, I recommend Git for workflow and collaboration. Learning Git will help you to understand how to manage and collaborate your data science project with others. Next, let's talk about math and stat skills. Understanding the basic math such as calculus and linear algebra and statistics, for instance, knowledge of distribution, mean, max, variance, hypothesis testing, regression modeling would definitely help to understand concepts in the data science. So, if you are a beginner, I strongly recommend the fundamentals of math and statistics. Once you have some knowledge on Python, SQL, basic math, and stat, you can start learning various machine learning algorithms such as supervised and unsupervised learning. And gradually move on to the deep learning, reinforcement learning, and other specific areas of focus such as NLP, natural language processing, or computer vision based on your interest. Those were the skills needed on the technical side. Now, let me focus on analytical skills. By analytical skills, I mean skills like critical thinking, research, setting up hypotheses, research questions, interpreting the A B testing, bringing business insight, understanding the value of the data, and overall project. Critical thinking is very important part of successful data science project. asking the right questions, trying to find out the reasoning behind the results, figuring out assumptions and limitation of the data. All these are important skills to have as a data scientist. It is important to look at a problem from multiple angles and come up with an efficient solution after industry research, logic, and observation. From the employer's perspective, also, employees are looking for data science candidates who can drive the business value from the data and provide actionable solutions. All right, now you know the essential requirements from technical and analytical sides. Let's focus on communication skills. Effective communication is a key to deliver the data science results successfully. You should understand the process of business requirements gathering, talking to business to understand the problem, and communicating your data science solution effectively is also very important. Communication happens in various formats such as through email, presentation, phone conversation, and so on. Always try to know your audience and tailor your communication strategy accordingly. Knowing how to tell your stakeholders why your solution is better and how it provides business value is very important. I personally tailor my presentation based on the audience I have. If I'm talking to the data scientists, analysts, I may get into algorithms and how it works. However, if it is for business stakeholders, then I would focus more into the business value. Remember, an excellent solution is useless if communicated poorly. All right, these are the tips for learning data science effectively. To summarize, we focused on technical skills, analytical skills, and effective communication skills as important skills to learn the data science effectively. Thank you for staying with me until now. Hope you learned something from this video. If you did, then don't hesitate to like, subscribe to my channel, and share among your friends who are also interested in learning data science tips and tutorials. Thank you again. Happy learning.